So you want to know how the stock market works. In this video, of course, is how the stock market is and how it works. I'm Robert, and a CPA, and this is my voice with the stock market for 30 years. I'm going to explain this to you as simply as I can to help you understand the stock market. A lot of information in this video to digest. So let's get into it. Question number 1, what is the stock market? You buy and sell equities. You're trying to make great passive income. It puts buyers and sellers together. What they buy is ownership of companies. These are public companies or private companies. They buy and sell through brokerages or electronically on the internet. It is individuals and companies. You buy and sell on the open market. Great way to save for the future. What is the stock exchange? It is a place or location where the shares of public traded companies are bought and sold. Stock exchange is between two parties. The stocks is issued by the companies and can be traded in the secondary market to make profits or losses. So when is the stock market open? I'm glad you asked when the stock market is open. Here are the times. Monday and Friday from 9:30 to 4 o'clock. Stock market after hours is between 4 and 6:30. Pre-market trading is from 8 o'clock to 9:30. So you want to know about stock market holidays. There are New Year's, Martin Luther Day, President's Day, Good Friday, Memorial Day, Independence Day, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. So is the market open tomorrow? Again, it's open Monday through Friday. Stock market closes every day at 4 p.m. Let's go over some stock market history. The stock market crash in 1929, what caused it? It began on that October, started in 1929. It dropped 25%. The interest rate started increasing, and a mild recession had already begun, and too much stock speculation. The stock market crash of 2008 was a little different. It started in September 2008. It was caused by deregulation in the financial and industrial banks. They were engaged in hedge funds. They were using derivatives that crumble, and banks stopped lending each other money and changed the presidency of the United States. A joke to break up your reading. How is marijuana stock sold on the market? You're going to love this. Buy high and sell higher. Why the stock market goes up is a good question. The stock market goes up with innovation, technology programs that increase productivity and should lead to increased future cash flow to certain companies. Stocks go up and down all the time. Great financial things. Has to be going well because the economy, is always up and down. Good economy and people, and they're all in a great mood. What about stock market graphs? These are data tools and things to read from. A chart standpoint shows the movement of thousands of stocks. These graphs assist institutions and investors and shareholders on the stock movement. It helps with your thought on your stock purchases. Stock market charts is one of the greatest that are tools to see where things are going. Watch out for a market that taking a lot of swings, ups and downs. Of course, they lose their value quickly in a bear market. Look at the data information to see how things are going. You can base your future on positive fact, but nothing is guaranteed. So how to see how the stock market works when the stock market loses money? A bear market can trend for weeks or even months. You might want to begin investing money like the stock market for beginners, a little bit at a time to see where it hits the rock bottom. Or you're going to have to ride it out. You're going to have to get rid of some of your losers. If you got to get some extra cash, put it in something like stable like money markets, CDs and treasury bills. If you have an aggressive mutual fund, then get out of it. The way to end up with here's a joke, to get $1 million using the stock market is you're like this. Invest $10 million into it. Stock market index is for stock market dummies. For stock market dummies, it is a stock market index that measures a stock market. Helps investors compare price levels with past prices. It looks against past market performance. It is calculated to select prices. It's a good way to measure your stock. Purchases and make sure purchase to make your money. The stock market trading works. What about mutual funds? On the stock market, mutual funds is considered one of the better ways to invest. If stock market started, a good way is mutual funds because they're pool investments. I like it because the money is professionally managed, sometimes at a reasonable cost. These funds offer statements, experienced managers, and tax statements to help you. Most of the funds, of course, charge a management fee, so you have to watch out that you are not being taken to the cleaners, because that could happen a lot of times. Some funds even charge a fee, like a commission. Another joke in the stock market today is the stock Northern Tissue was taken to the bottom and millions were wiped clean. I hope you've learned a lot from this video. If you like what you learned, the way that the stock market is made up, what stock exchanges are, what all the different terminology is, new stock tips, ways of doing things better in the stock market, what type things to invest in, please comment below. Give us an idea what you think. Please like or subscribe to my channel, because my channel has a lot of videos that you might be interested in, and I got some other great videos I'm making coming out, let's say, in the next few days.